Hi, my name's Ben Higby. I'm from somewhere in Kansas, and this is my soda review. I'm doing another one of these. This is Captain Eli's Parrot Punch. Found this at a store in Lawrence, Kansas, and we're gonna taste it. This is some sort of a punch. I'm gonna Capt'n Eli. Oh, Capt'n, CAPTNELI, Capt'nEli.com. It's not like Captain Crunch, where it's CAP apostrophe N. It's CAPT apostrophe N. Mr. Eli. I don't know if he has a last name or not. It really hurts my fingers to open this, so I'm gonna use my hat that I bought because I'm a shill from the Coca-Cola Corporation. Bought 3 of their products and they gave me a hat. Alright, the cap on the soda is off. This is some sort of a fruit punch. It's Parrot Punch. I don't know if it actually came from the parrot or what. It's got a little bit of a, you can kind of feel it, like as you lift it up to your mouth, it kind of goes to the nose. You can kind of smell it first. That was actually pretty nice. It's got a nice, like, right as it hits the back of your throat, you can really taste that flavor. Yeah, it tastes like basically any other punch. That's what I would expect a punch to taste like. Was, not so much of a punch to it, but it's fruit in it. There's a variety of fruits around the parrot. I don't know if that's Eli. Yeah, no, Eli's the captain. He's not the parrot. Nutrition: 165 calories per bottle. That's nice. Can't find the ingredients. Maybe it's, oh no, wait, water, cane sugar, natural and artificial punch flavors. So yeah, it tastes like punch. Pretty average. You don't see too many fruit punch sodas in the mainstream market though. So I would give Captain Eli's Parrot Punch good old, let's say, 6 out of 10, which is good. If you're looking for a good punch. It's non-alcoholic. So if you're looking for alcohol, it's not in Captain Eli's, no alcohol. You gotta come here for the good shit.